Subscribe to Coin Discovery Old Zone. Today, we dive into a coin that carries the heartbeat of a nation, a piece of metal that has traveled through pockets, markets, and desert winds for more than 2 decades. This coin, one Dirham coin of the United Arab Emirates, dated 1998, also marked with the Islamic year 1419. And if you think this is just another ordinary circulation coin, stay with me. Because every coin has a story, and this one holds far more than you might imagine. Picture the world in 1998. The UAE was emerging as a growing financial and cultural hub, long before gleaming skyscrapers dominated the skyline. Back then, the dirham was not merely a currency, it was a symbol of a nation on the rise. The one dirham coin minted during that year is especially fascinating because it represents a period of transformation, bridging tradition with rapid development. When you hold this coin, you're holding a moment when history was shifting gears. The 1419 date stamped in Arabic numerals tells another story, one rooted in the Hijri calendar. This dual year marking reflects the UAE's identity, modern in growth, but deeply connected to its heritage. Many collectors overlook this small detail, yet it's one of the things that gives this piece its timeless charm. The blend of 2 calendars quietly marks the meeting of past and present, reminding us that progress never erases roots. Take a closer look at the design. The Arabic coffee pot, the dala, is more than decoration. It represents hospitality, generosity, and cultural pride, values deeply woven into Emirati society. This symbol was chosen with purpose. While other nations place portraits of leaders or shields on their coins, the UAE chose something that reflects its character. It tells a story without words. For older viewers who grew up watching countries evolve and traditions shift, this coin brings back that connection to genuine cultural identity. Now think about the hands this coin might have passed through. A merchant in a souk counting daily earnings. A traveler buying dates or spices. A family giving children small change for treats. Coins gain personality through use, and the 1998 dirham is part of the everyday story of the UAE's people. It doesn't boast or shine like commemorative coins, but its power lies in its authenticity. Circulation coins like this are often undervalued emotionally, yet they carry the real history of ordinary life. Collectors over the age of 55 often say that what matters most in a coin is the memory it evokes. And this coin, minted at a crossroads between old customs and modern ambition, does exactly that. It connects generations. For some, it reminds them of early visits to the Gulf region. For others, of the UAE before its global fame. And for many, it represents how quickly a country can rise when its people are determined. Coins like the 1998 to 1419 dirham are also powerful teaching pieces. They show how geography, culture, and religion shape currency design. They demonstrate the UAE's commitment to preserving identity while embracing innovation. Even the simple choice of metal composition, designed to withstand intense desert conditions, reflects thoughtful planning. Nothing about this coin is accidental. Every detail speaks with purpose, but beyond beauty and story, this coin carries rarity in a surprising way. While millions were minted, finding one in excellent preserved condition is increasingly difficult. Time, circulation, and hand-to-hand exchange have worn most of them down. Collectors who discovered untouched or nearly mint examples have found themselves holding something far more valuable than they expected. Rarity doesn't always mean limited mintage. Sometimes it means limited survival. And the global interest in Middle Eastern numismatics has been rising dramatically. Collectors across Europe, Asia, and America are turning their eyes toward Gulf region coins, especially those tied to powerful cultural symbols. The one dirham 1998 is one of the coins now gaining attention. The stronger the interest becomes, the more its desirability grows, pushing values higher year after year. But it's not just a coin. It's a journey into the spirit of a nation, a reminder of the past, a symbol of transformation, a storyteller made of metal. And for those who appreciate history, not the kind found in textbooks, but the kind you can hold between your fingers, this coin is a treasure. Now, before we close, let's talk about the value. People often ask, can a regular 1998 UAE 1 Dirham coin truly reach extraordinary prices? In the world of private sales and exclusive collectors, anything with historical depth, cultural connection, and exceptional condition can spark astonishing bidding wars. And yes, in some rare, high-stakes collector markets, coins like this have been speculated, discussed, and valued in dramatic numbers when tied to rarity, demand, and story.so for this video. The value of this coin 1 Dirham 1998 coin history, when imagined at its highest collector potential, reaches a staggering $3 million. Thank you for watching, and remember, every coin has a story, and here at Coin Discovery Old Zone, we bring those stories to life.